Bidmas, do the add stuff before you do subtract. Well, actually you can do it either way round, but the way Bidmas works with AS in Bidmas, yeah, it says do add before subtract, but actually it could be either way round. But anyway, go for add before subtract. 3 plus 2 comes before the minus, the subtract. 3 plus 2 is 5, take away 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, take away 1 is 6. Add before subtract. 5 plus 1 is 6, take away 3 is 3. Do all the adds before you do any subtracts. 4 plus 3 plus 1, that's 4 plus 3 is 7. 8, take away 2 is 6. Because 8 take away 2 is 6. The working is done in blue. Do all the adds before you do the subtracts. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8, 9, take away 5. 9 take away 5 is 4. Add before subtract. Now, that's a plus 2. And that's a plus 2. So the 2's, the adds, the add 2 and they add 2, that gives 4. This take away. So lots of people, they do, well, you know, get it all confused. Anyway, do the adds first. 4, take away 1, 3. Do the adds first. Now that's a plus 3. Take away 2 gives you 1. 1 take away 5 is minus 4. Do the adds before subtracts. Oh, well, here we go. 2 and 9 gives me the 11. So the 11s are what you got plus. And then take away 5, 6. Right, who's the adds around here? And the 1, the 4 and the 2. So that makes 7. Take away 7, 0. Who's the adds? 2, 3 plus 1. So that's 6. 6 is the plus. 9 is the minus. Equals. Oh, hold on. 5, 6. Oh, wow. Okay, that should be a 2 then. To give you minus 2. Oh, that's got to change. Right. So for Bidmas, we've just done the AS. Now we're going to do the M. Do the multiply before the add, before the subtract to give you mass. Just like Christmas. Right, do the multiply first. So 3 times 2 is 6. We do 6, take away. Ooh, that's a mistake there. 6, take away 1. Take away 6. Hold on, that's all cocky. Oh, there's just right. Okay, that's what I want. 6 take away 1. 5. Whew. Do the times first. Right, this is minus 4 times 2 gives minus 8. Minus times a plus. There's a minus 8. 7 take away 8 minus 1. What's this one doing? This one is, do the times. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Gonna get that bit in. These are my pages from my book. Okay, here. Minus 4 times 2 gives minus 8. So we've got 2, take away 8 plus 7. Right, okay. Do the adds first. 2 plus 2 plus 7 is plus 9. Still, we need to take away the 8. 1. Right, do the times first. Minus 3 times 6. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Add 1 equals minus 5. Whew. The working is in blue. Let's make sure it works. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Yes. Then we need to add 8 and take away 1. Add 8 and take away 1. Right. Put the minuses together. So that's minus 7. Minus 6 and minus 1 gives you minus 7. Still got to add the 8. 1 is the right answer. Right. Do the times is minus 4 times 2 gives me minus 8. Add 3, take away, add 3, take away 1 equals. Right, okay, who's all the minuses? Minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9, and we've got plus 3. Plus 3 take away 9 equals minus 6. Right, Bidmas in Bidmas. Divide before multiply. Before add, before subtract is Bidmas. Right, do the divide first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then add 3. Got it. 3 plus 3, 6. Do the divide first. 6 divided by 3 gives me the 2. So I've got to do 4 plus 2, 6. Oh, that one's also 6. Do the divide first. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's why that 4 is right. We need 3 times 4. Yeah. Take away 20. 3 times 4. Take away 20. Got it. 3 times 4 is 12 because you do the multiply before you're doing the subtract. 12 take away 20 is minus 8. Oh, I don't need quite as much stuff there. Not as many darts. Right, who's going? Indices before divide. That's the I in Bidmas. Do the indices. The indices are things like square, divide, squares and cubes, and before. Add, before subtract is Bidmas. Right, 3 plus 2 plus 3 squared. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. Oh, I need 2 dashes there. Change. Right, 3 squared, take away 11. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 take away 11. 9 take away 11 minus 2. Go, next one. 2 times 3 squared is 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Double 9 is 18. 4 times minus 1 squared. Now, in this case, it's just the 1, not the minus. So you could put brackets around like that going, hey, just square the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we've got 4, take away 1 is 3. This one here, 8 divided by 2 squared. 2 squared, we do the 8 divided by 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 plus 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 3 plus 2 times 2 times 3 plus 8 is 11. Next one. 1 plus 10 squared. Divide by 2. Do the square first. 10 squared is 10 times 10. Give me the 100. 1 plus 100 divided by 2. Do the divide before the plus. 100 divided by 2. So we need 1 plus 50. Equals 51. Ching. Brackets before indices, before divide, before multiply, before add, before subtract is Bidmas. Subtract, multiply. That's why we remember Bidmas. Some people remember it as Bodmas, but I want to get the indices, the squares and cubes in there as well. Right, do the stuff in brackets. 2 plus 3 is the 5 times by 4, 20. Do the brackets first. In the USA, Bidmas is called Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, because brackets are called parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Woo. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please is parentheses. Hold on, let's do this one. Right, in the parentheses, brackets, 6 divided by 2 is the 3. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Ching. Do the brackets first. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Keep it neat. Please is parentheses. They look like brackets. They're the same as brackets. Right. Now, inside the brackets, we've got 3 plus 2. Then we've got to square it. Do the brackets first. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. Square 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Whoa, lots to do. Do the squared. 2 times 2 is 4. So we've got 8 divided by 4. Take away 10. Take away 10. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Take away 10. Oh dear, there's a change you've got to do. 2 take away 10 is minus 8. Here we go. do the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you have to do the square first. 4 squared is 16. So here we've got minus 16, divide by 16. That's going to be minus 1. Right, 3, take away, minus 1. 3, take away, minus 1. Minus, and a minus gives a plus, it's 4. That's the right answer. Right, here we go. In the parentheses, we have to do minus 2 divided by 3. Minus 2 divided by 3, what's 1.5? Okay, we've got 9 take away minus 1.5. So that's 9 plus 1.5 equals 10.5. Oh, wow, that was a nasty one. I think I'm going to change that to 6. That's better. Okay, much nicer. Don't want nasty ones. Here we go. It's bad enough already. Right, I'm going to leave you having a go at the rest. My name's Good Luck Gary. I'm a teacher and home tutor in Hong Kong.